hello, Joey. What's your name? Nice to meet you. Great to see you again. It's Easter time. It's Easter time. Let's see. It's Easter time. Great, great. Good. What can you see at Easter? An Easter bunny. Easter bunny. Let's repeat. Easter bunny, Easter bunny, Easter bunny. Great. A lamb. Lamb, lamb. Great. A chick. Chick, chick, chick. Great. Very good. Easter eggs. Easter eggs. Easter eggs. Easter eggs. Easter eggs. Easter eggs. Great. What else? What can you see at Easter? Jelly beans. Jelly beans. Jelly beans. Jelly beans. Hotcrossbuns. 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 Great. Lily. A lily. A lily. A lily. A lily. Great. Very good. Now, what can you eat at Easter? What can you eat? Easter eggs. Easter eggs. Easter eggs. Easter eggs. Easter eggs. What else? Chocolate bunny. Chocolate bunny. What can you eat? A chocolate bunny. Joanne, do you want a chocolate bunny? Yes. Do you like chocolate bunnies? Yes. What else can you eat? Chocolate eggs. 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 Good. Now, what are your favorite Easter activities? Painting Easter eggs. Do you like painting Easter eggs? Do you like painting Easter eggs? Yes.
Yes. And
Painting Easter eggs. Painting Easter eggs. Painting Easter eggs. Okay, let's paint.
and red. I love rolling Easter eggs.
Very good. I love rolling
rolling
Easter eggs.
eggs.
Great. Very good.
I love
Easter
Easter
egg hunting.
hunting.
What is your favorite activity at Easter? I love decorating
Decorating
the Easter tree.
the Easter tree.
Let's decorate the Easter tree. Yes. That was all for today. See you soon. Happy Easter!
Happy Easter!
Happy Easter!
Happy Easter!
If you like the video, please subscribe and share. Thank you. Bye!